grains of dust in the air. Paint's peeling off, but we don't care. Stripped down rides, welded dreams. Life's a little better when it's bursting at the seams. This is a smash 'em up life. We're born to collide. Metal on metal, let the sparks fly wide. No time for sandbaggers, we're here to survive. In the derby of life we thrive. We thrive. engines of dust in the air. Paint's peeling off, but we don't care. Stripped down rides, welded dreams. Life's a little better when it's bursting at the seams. This is a smash 'em up life. We're born to collide. Metal on metal, let the sparks fly wide. No time for sandbaggers, we're here to survive. In the derby of life we thrive. We thrive. Four bangs screaming a symphony of pain. Trucks and old vans crashing down like rain. We tape up the glass, we chain down the hood. Ain't pretty, but it's our way, and it feels so good. This is a smash 'em up life. We're born to collide. Metal on metal, let the sparks fly wide. No time for sandbaggers, we're here to survive. In the derby of life we thrive. We thrive. Rusted frames, battered hearts. In the pit it's an art to fall apart. Ain't about winning, it's the crash, it's the fight. We're gladiators under the counting fair lights. The grandstands shake with the crowd's wild cheer. Every hit says we're alive right here. It's a love affair with chaos and grit. A wrecked up romance, we're all in on it.